your India US trade deal. देखो, India and USA has signed an interim trade deal. First of all, it is an interim trade deal. Okay, it is an so the negotiation of this deal was going on from last 1 year, and finally they have been able to achieve a particular place of settlement. However, there is a large hue and cry because of terms of the treaty. So we'll discuss them one by one. So what is the important issue? See, we have seen how Donald Trump is operating in USA. It is kind of one-way dominating strategies that is applying, and it is very much focusing towards America's first policy and not towards the earlier role that USA used to play of a global leader. No, it is more so protectionist policies हैं Trump की. So you have the terms are protectionist policies and America first policies. So we have already discussed Venezuela के अंदर क्या किया था. Then it has also signed a treaty with Bangladesh. So and a lot of tariffs were also imposed on products from India, products from China, in order to safeguard the interest of USA. But at the same time, they were very harsh and disguised in form of creating a global order, whereas it was more so America's first policy. All right. So let's see what are the proposals of the trade deal. So the very first thing is about tariff. So हुआ क्या है पिछले कुछ टाइम के अंदर यूएसए ने penalize करने के लिए टैरिफ लगाए फर्स्ट 25% देन टैरिफ ऑफ another 25% taking it collectively to 50% by saying कि you have to stop your imports from Russia because Russia Ukraine war की वजह से but the actual disguised reason was it wanted USA wants कि उसके domestic जो oil supply है उसको वो boost कर पाए. That is why they want what happened in Venezuela we have discussed. उस वहां पे भी उसके एक्ट का रीजन यही था दैट दे वांट टू हैव ऑयल कंट्रोल और उसको एक्सपोर्ट्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए. So it is collectively in terms of that on disguised in the name of Russia Ukraine war. Okay. So that is why 50% इम्पोर्ट के ऊपर टैरिफ इम्पोज किया यूएसए ने. ओके इंडिया से इम्पोर्ट के ऊपर जिसकी वजह से इंडिया के एक्सपोर्ट हर्ट हुए बिकॉज इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट कुड नॉट गो टू नाउ यूएसए मार्केट. So India was trying to fetch a trade deal where which is it is beneficial for Indian exporters so that they can send their products all across USA because there is huge demand. Another thing, there is diaspora of in USA you have huge diaspora of India's also, so that is why the demand is high of Indian products. And plus India always had a trade surplus with USA. मतलब हमारा एक्सपोर्ट्स इम्पोर्ट से ज्यादा है. मतलब जितना प्रोडक्ट हम यूएसए से इम्पोर्ट करते हैं उससे ज्यादा हम एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं. तो यूएसए इज वन ऑफ ओनली कंट्रीज जहाँ पे इंडिया का ट्रेड सरप्लस है. सो व्हाट एंड अगर हम यूएसए के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें तो उनका ट्रेड डेफिसिट है. तो उनका एजेंडा क्या है अपना ट्रेड सरप्लस करने का. So these are the primary agenda of USA when they are trying to strike a deal. And what is our primary agenda? That our sectors could export because उन्होंने तो 50% tariff अब लगा दिया. Now we have to take it to a place where we can also export. ठीक है. तो अभी इसके अंदर they have agreed to come to a tariff of 80%. ठीक है. अब ट्रेड वॉर से पहले कितना टैरिफ था 2.5%. सो ऑल्दो इट इज एन इंक्रीज फ्रॉम दिस बट जितना चल रहा था उससे तो कम पे ही आ गया. तो द गवर्नमेंट इज सेइंग it will promote exports from MSME because MSME are now equipped enough to send their export to USA. ठीक है. बट द क्रिटिकल एनालिस्ट्स आर सेइंग कि पहले तो 2.5% था ना तो हमें तो वहां जाना चाहिए था. वाई वी हैव स्ट्राइक अ डील एट 18% विच इज अ लॉस. Having said that, it was 50% before that. So somehow they have been able to crack a middle path in this thing. However, there is a catch where there is a snapback sovereignty clause that has been put up by USA. It says कि on the premise हम इसको reduce कर रहे हैं 18% पे कि इंडिया रशिया से अपना oil import को कम करेगा. And if they see India is again trying to resume its oil ties with Russia, so this clause says the 25% penalty of tariff will be imposed on Indian imports. Now this is very absurd and very bizarre thing that they have done. It is taking away our sovereignty of dealing with taking our decisions of our imports and exports. but at the same time money rules, so that is why this is happening, because somehow we wanted to strike a middle path so that we can access the US market. As of now तो इससे पहले the US markets were blocked for Indian exports because of 50% penalty of tariffs. Having said that, this is still a better provision and it's an interim deal, so we'll see what happens in the final deal. As of now, it stands at this thing. One thing is this. Second thing is there is a problem which with respect to ambiguity of the अभी तक clarity नहीं है, बहुत ambiguous है इस clause with respect to agriculture and cereal cropping. So basically India का कहना है they have been able to safeguard the cereals exports from India कि उसके ऊपर tariff इतना नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन यूएसए का ये बोलना है कि उन दे विल बी एबल टू एक्सपोर्ट अ लॉट ऑफ सीरियल्स और इकोनॉमी विल रीच टू रूरल यूएसए, ठीक है. सो दैट मीन्स उनका कहना है दे विल बी एबल टू एक्सपोर्ट मच टू इंडियन मार्केट. सो यहाँ पे फार्मर्स का इशू आ रहा है बिकॉज इंडियन फार्मर्स आर रिलेटिवली poorer farmers as compared to USA. So India has always been protecting the interest of farmers. It is still saying, the government is still saying that we are protecting the interest of farmers, and but the clause that has been mentioned in the treaty is not clear. That is why there's a problem. Okay, so we shall see how this further fold up, but the problem that they are citing is that if the import duty on the agriculture produce of cereals of USA have been reduced in India, which they are saying that India is trying in have been reduced to zero in India, then a lot of USA agriculture market product will get flooded in to India. That is the problem, and it will harm the domestic farmers. So that is the issue that has been highlighted all over. Second thing is the treaty also said that India has accepted that it will try to reduce the tariff on USA imports to India to 0%, which is again a bizarre thing because हमारे तो exports के ऊपर 18% tariff है और आप बोल रहे हो कि आपके exports के ऊपर इंडिया में 0% tariff होगा. So this quite look like a one-sided deal to be much in favor of USA and less in favor of India. But again, we'll see how this fold up in the final deal. All right. So this is second point. Third point is it also says it gives a backdoor entry to genetically modified crops. So India has always been an advocate of not letting GM crops coming to India, ठीक है, because of a lot of environmental and farmer issues. So, but this is saying a lot of experts are saying it will allow a backdoor entry to of GM crops to India. So this is the third problem. All right. Another thing is a $500 billion buy American pledge. सो यहाँ पे भी कंट्रोवर्सीज हैं क्योंकि इंडिया की जो स्टेटमेंट आई थी या जब ये इंटरिम ट्रेड डील साइन हुई थी, जो उसकी जो ट्रीटी उसका जो वर्डिंग था वो ये था, इंडिया विल ट्राई टू बाय मतलब टेक ट्रेड लाइक इंडिया विल ट्राई टू एड $500 billion का इम्पोर्ट्स फ्रॉम यूएसए, ठीक है. बट USA has said in their one of their press conferences that India has committed to buy $500 billion products from USA, which they later retracted back that it is intended not committed. But at the same time, that come up as $100 billion per year in next 5 years, taking it to $500 billion in next 5 years, right? So now this $100 billion is 15 to 20% of India's own national budget. So that also became an issue कि कितना हम उस मतलब the it again is not in favor of India. So these are the issue that has been there in trade deal that has been signed. But at the same time, we'll have to see how it turn out. So let's quickly recall what are the four issues that we have discussed. One is your tariff that has been reduced to now 18%, and government is saying it will export MSME का बढ़ जाएगा यहाँ से. Second problem is of agriculture, cereals and farmers and backdoor entry to GM crops. That means it will have negative impact on agriculture and farmers of India. Then it also says oil import. That means USA से हमें oil import करना पड़ेगा mandatory और रशिया से कट डाउन करना पड़ेगा. If you have remember few days back we have already discussed that India has though not coming it taking it to zero but had quite reduced its oil import from Russia, and if they don't do so there is a snapback clause which will against impose again impose 25% of punitive tariff in India if India try to buy oil from Russia. Fourth, and the more controversial issue is 500 billion by American promise. ठीक है, so these are the important issues that are there, and we shall see how they fold up in the upcoming times. As of now, there is no clarity on these two aspects. Okay.